So in this Tangerine Bank tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to open up a checking account here on Tangerine Bank. So once you open up the app, go to the bottom left and press on the accounts option. Once you're here, go to where it says open accounts, or you can scroll down a little bit further and press explore products, but we'll just go ahead and press open up an account. It'll then bring you to this screen right here where you can go ahead and slide this top bar to where it says checking account like this. Then you can scroll down a little bit to where it says no fee daily checking account. Go ahead and select add an account. Then go to the bottom and press continue. Once you're on this page, go ahead and press continue one more time. Then it'll bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and see if it's right for you or not right for you, and go ahead and press continue. It'll then bring you to this screen where you can go ahead and see the intended use and press continue once again. You can select your card, press continue, and then go for the activation of the account. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to open up a checking account here on Tangerine Bank. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.